insects, and today I'm going to unbox this. Yes, this Osmo Mobile 3 combo from DJI. Yeah. So I got this at SM Mega Mall, DJI store at SM Mega Mall, but unfortunately sarado yung store nila, I think, for the entire GCQ. Or fortunately, I got the number of the owner of the store, and then she instructed me to, instead of going to SM Mega Mall, I'll go straight to their warehouse or yung stock room, or I think stock room ata yun. Somewhere in General Luna, Paco, Manila. I think hindi lahat ata ng DJI store is nag-o-offer ng parang installment or credit card. So dito sa DJI Mega Mall, they're only accepting cash or straight payment or bank transfer. So ako nag-cash ako sa kanila. And then I think from June 1 to June 30, meron silang mid-year sale together with other DJI store. Medyo mas malaki yung discount or mas malaki yung mura nung price compared to the original price ng DJI Osmo Mobile 3 and then other DJI products. I got this at 6,190 with the original price of 7,900. So medyo malaki yung natipid ko. And then since this Osmo is the combo package, the combo package, meron tong isang version na hindi combo. So I think meron kang dalawang inclusion or something inside the box na hindi mo makikita with the regular Osmo 3 na in-offer nila. Mas malaki din yung matitipid mo just in case na you decided na bilhin yung 2 extra accessories ng separately. So medyo malaki yung addition nun on top of the regular price. So the regular price of the regular packaging of the Osmo 3 Mobile is 5,990. That's the sale price from 6,300. So imagine the 6,300, the original price na hindi sale, and then nabili ko yung Osmo 3 Mobile na combo ng 6,190. So medyo good deal naman siya. Actually, good deal naman siya. So wala naman akong pwedeng ipag-compare na ibang gimbal bukod dito. Kasi technically, walang comparison na magaganap. So, this is my first gimbal. Although, yung friend ko, meron siyang gimbal na recently ginagamit niya for his photography or in videography because related din sa work. I haven't seen exactly kung paano siya gamitin. Hindi ko siya nahawakan. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-manage or hindi ko siya alam kung paano i-navigate. So, I have no idea kung paano siya gamitin. So, ayun. So, tignan natin kung anong magagawa nito or anong pwedeng gawin nito sa buhay ko. So, let's see. Let's unbox. So, here's what inside the box. It's the Osmo Mobile 3 built-in battery, Osmo carrying case, the Osmo grip tripod, the power cable, storage pouch, a wrist strap, and 4 anti-slip pads. So, this for the combo, ito yung laman. So, for the regular Osmo Mobile 3, you'll only get the Osmo Mobile 3, the power cable, the storage pouch, a wrist strap, and 4 anti-slip pads. Considering na may dalawa siyang extra accessories or extra item sa loob, the Osmo Grip Tripod, kung bibilin mo siya separately, it will cost you around 950 pesos. And then, the Osmo carrying case, it's 1,950. I think, marketing strategy talaga yun ng DJI when it comes to regular item versus yung mga combos nila. So, how do we do this? Let's try na malinis ang sarap. And then this one. Oh. So first, this one, put it there, and then a small box for, I think, accessories. So wala na. Put you here. Let's go on first with this small box. Yun. So we have the power cable. I think it's type C. Yeah, it's type C. This is the anti-slip pads. This is the, let's see, the Osmo Grip Tripod. There's the DJI logo, both sides. Let's work this way. Okay. Left. The strap. That's the DJI logo. One more. Nice. The storage pouch. Not bad. Just in case ayaw mo dalhin to. At dito mo lang siya ilalagay. I think kasya naman lahat. Oh shit. Let me put you here. Okay, wala na. For the the carrying case. So you have the handle in here, and then this one. Nice texture. Don't eat this. Something. So this is how the Osmo Mobile 3 looks like. Hindi siya ganun kabigat. So, tama lang. I think di naman siya nakakangalay na bit-bitin. This is where your wrist strap goes. So, let's see. Oh, nice. Never pa ako nakahawak ng gimbal. So let's go over muna. So this is how you fold. I think you need to align this with this one. So this one. And then para kapag kinulose mo siya, here. I think this is the zoom. Yan, zoom. This is where your USB port. Hindi. Tama, USB port. I think you can charge your phone through here. So, nice one. Yung tagal na pwede mong gamitin tong Osmo Mobile 3, I think based sa website nila, 15 hours. So hindi ko alam kung continuous or well, at least 15 hours is not bad. So this is where your tripod goes. So I'm back. So I can see, if you can see, I already attached the strap. So let's see, tingnan natin kung yan. So you need to press this one twice, then hold on the second press. Okay. So I already installed the DJI Mimo app. So kailangan install yung Mimo app para ma-connect mo yung gimbal with your phone. So kailangan mo siyang i-install and then mag-register dun sa account mo. If you don't have any DJI account, pwede ka mag-register sa kanila and then you logged in with your account and then pwede mo na siyang ma-connect yung Osmo Mobile 3. I do hope in a few days I can try this gimbal, although wala akong maisip na lugar na pwedeng puntahan or paggamitan, pero let's see, baka meron naman ibang pwedeng gawa ng paraan kung paano natin siya mamamaximize considering na hindi pa pwedeng lumabas, hindi pa pwedeng mag out of town. I think naman makakakuha tayo ng magandang spot or magandang subject. Okay, that's for it today, guys. I do hope I'll get back to shoot another video using this one and my phone, and then I'll share it to you guys. Okay, thank you guys. God bless and stay safe.